Hey there homeowners, if you've got a Goodman GSXN402410 air conditioner, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share some top tips to keep your AC running smoothly, saving you from those dreaded summer breakdowns and sky-high energy bills. First up, let's talk air filters. Check your air filter every 30 to 60 days. If you have pets or allergies, consider changing it monthly. A clogged filter restricts airflow, making your system work harder and wear out faster. Next, head outside and give those condenser coils some love. Over time, dirt, leaves, and debris can build up. Turn off the power to your unit and use a coil cleaner or a gentle hose spray to clean the coils. Dirty coils mean less efficient cooling and higher energy bills. Now, let's chat about refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant can spell trouble. Signs include longer cooling cycles and ice buildup on the evaporator coils. If you notice these, it's time to call in a pro. Keep the area around your outdoor unit clear. Maintain at least 2 feet of clearance. Trim those bushes and remove any debris that could obstruct airflow. This simple step keeps your system running efficiently. Don't forget to inspect and tighten electrical connections. Loose connections can cause component failure or system malfunctions. Check the wiring for wear and ensure all connections are secure. Lastly, flush the condensate drain line. This line removes moisture from your system, and blockages can cause water leaks. Pour a mixture of vinegar and water down the drain line every few months to keep things flowing smoothly. For seasonal maintenance, here's a quick checklist. In spring and summer, test your thermostat, inspect refrigerant levels and clean air vents. For fall and winter, cover the outdoor unit, turn off the power to the condenser, and inspect insulation around refrigerant lines. By following these tips, you'll ensure your Goodman GSXN402410 air conditioner stays in top shape, providing efficient cooling and lasting longer. Regular maintenance means fewer problems, lower energy costs, and a comfortable home all summer long. Thanks for watching and happy cooling.